Okay, so this is an audio test with my HD camera. I've just gone outside and I don't really know how the audio is compared to my phone, which I have been recording with until now. I have 3 cameras, my phone, another Sony camera and this one. And I don't really have any idea how the audio is on any of them, really. So this is just an audio test. This also have a 30 times optical zoom. So if I want to get really close to something, I can, but the zoom is really noisy, so I will probably not use it.